This Mediterranean chickpea salad is refreshing, healthy, and delicious. Hi, and you're watching Plating It with Wendy, where I share with you recipes which impress with ease. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, share, and comment. And if you enjoy trying out recipes that turn out right every time, you're at the right place. So go ahead, press that subscribe button. And while you're at it, if you hit the bell icon, you'll be the first to get notified every time I upload a new video. A big shout out and a thank you to Temu for sponsoring this video. Temu is an online marketplace that has a variety of products from home decor to fashion, jewelry, pet products, kitchen products, and much more. They are all available at very affordable prices and the highest quality. They have a ton of coupons with free shipping and free returns for 90 days. Temu accepts all major credit cards, debit cards, electronic payment, and they also have an easy payment plan. Now, I'll be using some Temu products in the video, and I will leave the link in the description box below. And if you're interested in purchasing them, you'll be entitled to get an additional 30% off by using the code. So now let me show you how I make my Mediterranean chickpea salad. For this recipe, we're going to go in with 2 cans of chickpeas or garbanzo beans, which are approximately 400 grams each. And we're first going to drain them and then rinse them. If you don't have the canned chickpeas, you could always use the dried chickpeas, soak them overnight in water, and then cook them the next morning. Let's toss them into a bowl. To the salad, we're going to be adding half of this English cucumber. Now it's very big, so I'm going in with half. But if it's a smaller one, you could always add in the full cucumber. For cutting the cucumber, we're going to be using the vegetable chopper that we got from Temu. And this chopper comes with a variety of attachments, which is very much like the mandolin, but it's even better. So now it has a big chop, a fine chop. It also has an egg separator, and that's really cool. It has attachments for grating, and that's a big grate, a smaller grate, one for a crinkle cut, and this is for a straight cut. It also has the safety guard for you to attach when you want to do slicing so you don't slice your fingers. For the cucumbers, we're going to go in with the attachment that gives us a chunky chop. And all you have to do is to place the blade and clip it down. Now let's place the cucumber on the top, and I've just halved it. And we're going to put a little pressure, and there you go. Wow, it's so easy to chop your veggies. This is definitely going to be my go-to gadget. And look, it all just collects in the container below. Wow, just look at that. So evenly chopped and without much effort. For a pop of color, we're going to be adding 1 orange bell pepper. You could add any color that you liked. Just going to cut it down first. Now back to our handy dandy vegetable chopper, and let's start chopping up the bell pepper. I really like how I can collect everything in one container at the bottom. To add a bit of bite to the salad, we're going to add in half a red onion, and I'm just going to quarter it first. And now we're going to attach on that safety guard equipment that they've given us. And using the slicing attachment, we're going to slice the onion. Now let's toss all our chopped veggies into the bowl with the chickpeas. And I'm going to add some cherry tomatoes to the salad. You could even use grape tomatoes, and we're just going to cut them into quarters because they're a little bit on the bigger side. If the tomatoes that you're using are small, you could just halve them. Now let's add the tomatoes into the bowl. And this is approximately about a cup of tomatoes. And for that authentic Mediterranean flavor, we're going to add half a cup of pitted and chopped Kalamata olives. For that fresh flavor, we're going to go in with some herbs. So I'm going to be adding 1 sprig of fresh mint leaves and a small bunch of basil leaves. To make chopping the herbs easier, I like to arrange them and put the leaves one on top of the other. And now we're just going to fold that and chop away. And now we're going to do the same thing to the basil leaves. So now once again, we're going to roll up the leaves and chop away. Now if you don't have basil leaves, you could always substitute with parsley. Now let's add both the herbs to the bowl. And it wouldn't be a Mediterranean salad without feta cheese. We're going to be going in with 200 grams of feta cheese, and you could either crumble it or chop it. I'm going to chop it into small cubes. Let's add it to the bowl. For the dressing of the salad, we're going to go in with 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. And for a bit of zing, we're going to add the juice of 1 lemon, which should give you approximately 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And now to up the acidity of our vinaigrette, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar. And to balance the flavors and for a hint of sweetness, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of honey. Or you could add sugar too. And for an earthy flavor, we're going to add in 1 garlic clove, which I've finely crushed. And now let's add 1 teaspoon of oregano. And now we're going to add pepper and salt to taste. Just going in for about half a teaspoon of pepper. I'm going to add just a pinch of salt to the vinaigrette because in the salad we already have the feta cheese and the olives, so we can always add more salt later. To emulsify our vinaigrette, we're going to go in with our semi-automatic whisk, which we got from Temu. And this is going to bring all the ingredients which we have put into our vinaigrette together with ease. We're going to add this to the salad, and you can add as much or as little as you like. And if you have any extra remaining, you could always put it into a bottle and refrigerate it. To toss up the salad, we're going to go in with these natural Thailand teakwood ladles, which again are from Temu. These are such good quality ladles, so well polished, and I'm excited to use them. We're going to go in and toss up the salad. Wow, look at all those beautiful colors. This salad is going to be so delicious. I'm sure you're going to be in for a treat. Now you could serve the salad up as it is in the bowl, but I like to serve it up in this flower-shaped bowl that I got from Temu. Isn't it so pretty? Just have a look at that. Wow. Now let's spoon out some of it in the bowl. And this is a really good bowl for an individual serve. Oh my goodness. Look at that. And now it's time to give our Mediterranean chickpea salad a taste. Wow, I'm so excited. I'm going to get everything in it. Wow, this salad is so delicious. You get such a burst of flavors with every spoonful. And I hope you give this recipe a try. So hop onto my website, platingitwithwendy.com, where you will find the full written recipe. And don't forget to visit temu.com and check out all the kitchen tools which help me make this recipe with ease. Thanks for watching. See you soon.